Got a new offer to share with your customers? Then don't spend hours sending it one by one. Instead, you can create one promotional WhatsApp campaign, select your contacts, and send offers directly to them. As you can already see on your screen, this is the type of promotional WhatsApp message your customers can receive directly on WhatsApp. It can include your promotional image, offer details, products, and a website link as well. And you know what is the best part? You can send the same campaign to your selected contact list from a single broadcast. And today I'm going to show you how to create this type of WhatsApp broadcast campaign in just few minutes. But before we start creating the campaign, let's quickly understand what a WhatsApp broadcast actually does. See, the broadcast feature allows you to send promotional messages and offers to predefined list of contacts at once, instead of sending the same messages manually to every customers. Businesses can use it for a new product launches, special discounts, festive offers, flash sales, and much more. You can create your promotional message once, select your audience, and just send the campaign. Now let's create our first broadcast. So for creating this campaign, I am using Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation platform that's helped businesses automate WhatsApp conversations, create chatbots, build their assistants, and send WhatsApp broadcast campaigns. And for today's tutorial, we are going to focus specifically on the broadcast feature. So if you are new to Pabbly Chatflow, just open a new tab and go for pabbly.com/chatflow and create your free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. And yes, you can also create this WhatsApp broadcast campaign along with me using Pabbly Chatflow free trial. And after trying the tool, if you found it useful and creates a mind to purchase its subscription plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout to get an amazing discount on both the yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So now I'm directly going to the broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow. From here, we can create and manage our WhatsApp broadcast campaign. To create a new campaign, simply click on plus add broadcast button. First, you need to select the broadcast type that I'm selecting as broadcast campaign. After that, we need to give our campaign a name. I'll enter as new launch offer. Next, you need to select the audience, means contact. See, it will provide you two options as choose contact list and upload a CSV file. For uploading a CSV file, you need to select this option and upload the file. Now, what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the data in the simplest format. I'll show you how it will look like. See, here inside this sheet, I have added my customer's first name, last name, and phone number in the simplest format. For creating a CSV file, you can use Google Sheets or Excel. Here I have added my customer data inside Google Sheets. After successfully adding it, you need to click on this files option and download the file in a CSV format. And one more thing, the file size limit is 50 MB and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts, means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. For uploading a file, you need to click on this option, click on this add new file, and upload the file from your gallery. I have already uploaded one, so I'm selecting this one from here and clicking on this insert button. After that, just skip all these fields, scroll down and click on this import and use these contacts. See, here I'm going to select the audience mode as choose existing contact list and selecting this leads list. I have already created this contact list before inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. For creating a contact list, you need to go inside this contacts feature and click on this plus option. I have already created some list before, and this is the leads list that I have selected here. Moving forward is the refined audience. See, if you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contact that you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that contact from this drop down. After that, by enabling this toggle, you can skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours, so they don't receive a broadcast message again. Moving forward, here you need to select the message type. It will provide you two options, same as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send a regular message by selecting this option from here and the message type as well, but regular message can only be sent if the 24-hour window is active, means a customer has already messaged you on WhatsApp within the last 24 hours. Then only you can send the regular message. But if the 24-hour window window is not active, then you are not able to send this regular message. For that case, you need to select the message type as pre-approved template message. After that, select the WhatsApp template from here. That I am selecting this one, property launch offer. I have already created this template before. I want to add one image with this message too. So for that, I am clicking on this option, selecting this image from here and clicking on this insert button. So this is the final look of the template that is going to be visible in front of our customer. After that, I'll click on this done button. Now for creating these type of attractive templates, you need to go inside this templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow, as everything is present inside this single tool. See, this is the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow. These are the predefined messages used for easy access and scale communication. You can create multiple types of templates for your different type of businesses, like a promotional campaign, festive offers, and much more. I have already created some templates before, and this is the property launch template that we are using in this tutorial. You can add an image inside your templates as well as your website's link and the offers too. For getting a new template, you need to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. These are approved by Meta and they followed all the WhatsApp guidelines. See, once the templates gets approved by Meta, you can use it inside your broadcast campaign. After selecting the template, I am going to test this broadcast. So to do this, I am entering the contact name as test user and my number in this field, just only for the testing purpose. See, after entering my number, I'll click on the send test message button and see, it says that test broadcast sent. Now let's go to my WhatsApp account to see whether we have received this template or not. See, automatically I received the exact same template that I have selected in this broadcast setup. And look at this template, how attractive and professional it is related to this business. I have designed this template completely based on my choice. You can change it based on your own business use cases. Here my objective is only to teach you how you can create a broadcast campaign by using Pabbly Chatflow. As we have successfully received the template message on our WhatsApp, this means that till now our broadcast campaign is working perfectly. Moving forward, if you want to send this templates to all of your contacts immediately, then you can select this option and click on this plus add broadcast button. But I'm going to schedule this message for later. So to do this, I'm selecting this option from here. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast on 23rd of August at 2026 on 9 a.m. See, on 23/8/2026 at 9 a.m. this template is going to be sent to all of the contacts that are present inside this list. Next, we have automatic retry of failed contacts. See, if a message fails to deliver to any contact, you can enable this option to automatically send the message again. You can also select how many times you want to retry and the time gap between each retry. This way, you don't have to manually send the message again to the contacts where the delivery failed. Here I am selecting the number of retries as 1 and wait between retries as 12 hours. After that, I'll click on this plus add broadcast button. So that's it. You can now send your promotional offers directly to your customers on WhatsApp in just few minutes. So whenever you have a new offer, discount, product launch or special promotion, you can use the same process to reach your customers directly on WhatsApp. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this view stats button and export the report from here. See, our broadcast is successfully scheduled on 23rd of August at 2026 on 9 a.m. So instead of spending time posting your offers everywhere, you can put that directly in front of your customers on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to send promotional WhatsApp broadcast in minutes using Pabbly Chatflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing WhatsApp broadcast campaign, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.